Hello everybody, this is Grandmaster Damian Lemos, and in this series we're gonna continue studying the middle game, and we're gonna also analyze the strategy, to follow in the middle game. And to start, we're gonna use this game between Polgar and Shirov, uh, two very strong grandmasters. So let's get started. White plays e4, and here black plays e6, which is the French defense. White plays d4, winning some space in the center, and as black we play d5. We are also fighting for the center here. In this game, white plays knight to c3, and this is the main line against the French. This is, the best way or the most popular way of defending the e4 pawn. However, white can also try knight to d2, which is the Tarrasch variation, and he can also try playing e5, which is the advanced variation. And here white is playing with more space. As you can see, for instance, we can't play a move like knight f6, but as white will be able to put some pressure in white's center too. Knight c3 is the main line, defending e4, and here black plays knight to f6, which is the old line, but nowadays this is becoming popular. It's being played by a lot of strong players. Also, world's #1 Magnus Carlsen played this a couple of times, so it's quite interesting. Personally, I play the French a lot, and I also play this line. The alternative here is playing bishop b4, which is the Weinauer variation, pinning the knight on c3 and also putting some pressure in white's center.